In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use lip sync in CapCut PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you are using the CapCut application on your PC, you will have access to the lip sync feature. Sadly, I'm not sure if this option is available if you are using it through a web browser, but if you have the latest version of the desktop app, you will be able to access it. So open CapCut. I have a random video here that I'm going to use as an example. Of course, there are no lips that can be used to be synced, but I'm still going to demonstrate how to activate the function. Click the video that you would like to change, and now on this menu, go to Video, Basic, and scroll down. Among all of these options, you will find lip sync. So you have to enable this feature here. By using this feature, you confirm that you own or have permission to use the uploaded photo, video, or audio. So be aware of all of this. Make sure that you read through this in its entirety and you are aware of the terms of service and the privacy policy. Now, if you allow it to be done, you can now enter the text. Enter what you want the person to say. Now, like I said before, I don't actually have a video of a person to demonstrate this video with. I apologize. So you just type out whatever you want to sing here. Then you choose the voice. You can preview all of these. You can choose the option to keep the background sound and then generate. Now, I don't have Pro, so I only have one free use of this tool, so I'm not going to do it now. If you have Pro, then you can generate multiple times. So choose one of the Pro options, enter the text, and you are good to go. You have plenty of voices to choose from. Some of them will be accessible for everyone, some of them will be locked. And once you have chosen, you can generate the video and export it. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.